we'll get started with the Ohm method. So these are the conditions. Okay, so I'll just open an Excel for you. Okay, so this Excel is password protected, Ohm underscore V1. The password to open this Excel is HT underscore Ohm. Okay, so here we have written all the formulas and we have all the conditions as well. So you just want to enter these data, and in the morning around 9-8, once you enter these values, okay, this you have to enter in the morning. This you can enter in the previous day. So based upon this condition, you know which among this is going to come and what kind of trade you are going to take at the time of 9 itself. You can decide, and of course after market opens we have to wait for first 15 minutes. Okay, so we have to do some validation and then we will be doing the reversal trading. This Excel I have already shared in our Telegram channel, Harmonics Traders, Ohm underscore V1. You could just join our Telegram channel, Harmonics Traders, and you can download this particular Excel. Okay, so let me do a sample data and we'll check how to trade on this. Okay, so let us pick some stock. Any stock you guys want to pick? Okay, somebody asked Grasim, we'll go with Grasim. Yes, one stock, we'll go with Grasim. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. The other stocks we'll look at the end of the session. Okay, so first let me complete this session, then I'll be taking your queries, and finally like we'll be spending a little more time with respect to hands-on. Okay. Okay, so this is today's data, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to enter the close price. So this yesterday, or so I have given like so here you are going to enter the last working days data. Okay, so this open we don't know right now. Fine. So this open we'll be knowing only on Monday, correct? Monday morning only we are going to know this open. Let us assume this open is say like so it has closed at 1278, right? So let us assume it's opening around 1250. Let us assume so. Okay. Now, once you enter the open, here it says the open is between S2 and S1, right? So this is one condition. So the most powerful conditions are powerful conditions. Okay, I'll keep on writing as well. So we have multiple conditions, but the most powerful conditions are open below S1, open above R1. Okay, so initially I'll be like elaborating on the powerful, then like we'll go with the normal and we'll check for some examples, and I'll teach you how to do this by yourself. Okay, so what we do, we look for these kind of setups. If the open is below S1, we try to go for long in general. Okay, of course we have to do some validation that I'll explain later. So this is the idea. Okay, if the open is above R1, we try to go for short. Okay, so now let us say here the open is between S1 and S2. Fine. So what we do, we just go to this trading view. You can just add this pivot traditional auto. Okay, so this is I'm showing trading view this since like it is free and it is available for all. Of course, you can just check these in your broker as well. Zerodha, Allies Blue, ShareCon. So they should be having this. So what we do, we just look for the first 15-minute candle. Okay, so here the open, so open, if you just see here, open is 1298, right? Pivot is 1293 and the R1 is 1318. So here the open is between pivot and R1. Okay, so these are not very powerful setups. So we look for setups where the open is greater than R1 or it is lesser than S1. Okay, so if in case it is less than S1, what we do, we wait for the first 15 minutes. Okay, if in case the first 15 minutes is a red candle, we are not going to do anything. If in case first 15 minutes is a green candle and it has closed above S1, then we wait for the stock to come back to S1 and we will be initiating long at S1 with stop loss of S2 for the target of pivot. So if open is below S1, wait for reversal candle. So in this case, we are expecting for a green candle, right? A green candle or a doji. And wait at S1 or lower. So there is a trick. This I'll explain a little later. Wait and enter at S1 with SL of S2 for pivot. Okay, so let us see some examples so that you will get a clear picture. So these are the overall available conditions. Okay, so we have like say max of 6 conditions or 6 setups. In that, like 2 setups are very, very powerful, and in your initial days try to trade only on those setups. Okay, so these ones. Okay, so normal is like when pivot is involved. Those are normal conditions. Okay, if it is between pivot and S1, or like if it is between pivot and R1, those are the normal condition. Okay, so this PPT will come again a little later. Now see, let us take this example. Okay, so United Breweries, the open was above R1. Okay, means it is between R1 and R2. So it falls under this powerful category, right? Open is above R1. Now what we do, we just wait for the first 15 minutes to be completed. Okay, so don't trade in the first 15 minutes. And our trading or our system starts at 9:30, because first 15 minutes we do have a lot of noise, and let us not enter into the SL hitting trades or the breakout ones. So this first 15 minutes we just look for the candle and then we enter. So here open is above R1 and red candle is formed, right? Now what we do, so say somewhere it is trading over here, then we wait and we enter at R1. Okay, in the next after 9:31 or after 9:30, you can enter near R1 with stop loss of R2. Okay, so the target is pivot. So in many days, okay, if you're lucky, you will be capturing the ultimate top. Okay, so there would have been some positive news or something would have been involved, and there would be a huge gap up opening. Thinking like in general, retailer think like, okay, the stock is going to move up, and normal people try to go for long, but the biggies always have the alternate plans. They would be like entering into their shorts, and when we are just going along with their direction, the probability of success is very high. So here we would be like entering at this R1 with this pivot as target and this R2 as SL. Okay, so this is R1 condition.